Let's make naked cake with flowers. Let's get into it. The key to decorating a naked cake is finding the balance to create visual harmony, elegant and seamless, when you're really allowing the cake itself to show all its imperfections. For a 3-layer cake, we will need 3 pans the same size. As always, we start every cake with our Bunnie Cakes vegan cake batter. We're going to fill each of these pans up to 3/4 to the top. Grease the pans. We're gonna fill these pans 3/4 to the top. Oh my God, this is so easy and satisfying. Shake each pan a little bit to even out the batter and take out the bubbles. Bake it in the preheated oven at 350 degrees, and each layer should take approximately 50 to 60 minutes to bake. Yum, it's starting to smell really good. So let's see if our cakes are ready. You need to insert a skewer in the center of each of the cake pans, and when it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Now let's get them ready to decorate. Once the cake are completely cooled down, we're gonna take them out of the pans and we're gonna start decorating. And this is my favorite part. We're gonna put this aside. First, let's cut the cake to make them even. A cake turning table is also key. I took the buttercream out of the fridge 10 minutes before to make sure it was at room temperature. It makes the decoration much easier. Let's start stacking our cake. The first layer, add some buttercream on top, and then stack the second and then the third. Make sure they're all aligned. I use approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons of frosting per layer, but it is important to have the right balance between cake and filling. Once you have layered your cake, you want to add a crumb coat to get the naked look. Start with the top. Add some buttercream and spread it. Now take some buttercream and spread it around the cake. I'm gonna give you a hack that is gonna save you some money. This is a painter's or painting scraper that painters use, and you can get it in Home Depot. This is a cake scraper that you can get in any cake supplies or in my Amazon list. I use both, but for this one and for naked cakes, I recommend this. It's really easy to handle, and the price, it's really good. So this is my hack for the naked cakes. I think it's looking beautiful, so now put it in the fridge for approximately 10 to 15 minutes to set before you start decorating with your flowers. Once it's out of the fridge, you're going to need some plastic wrap, straws, and of course, your beautiful fresh flowers. You can use any type. Now, you're gonna wrap each stem with some plastic wrap. We do this for 2 reasons. First, to keep the flower fresh, but also to prevent anything from leaking from the stem into your cake. This is a hack for this type of cake. Use a straw like this one, it's a little wider than a regular straw, and place your flowers inside the straw, poking the cake and making sure the highs and lows of the flower arrangement is harmonious and complete. Ta-da! You got yourself a beautiful naked cake with floral decoration. How pretty does this look? I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Click that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And please remember to tag us if you make this pretty cake.